My Account is one of the most visited yet neglected parts of e-commerce stores. To customize My Account page and display an attractive dashboard, use My Account Page Editor for WooCommerce. This extension allows you to create new custom endpoints or edit existing ones. Let's see how this extension works. Go to the My Account Customizer in the Admin panel. Click on Add New Endpoint to create a new menu item. Add rule title here for future reference. Add the title of the menu and enter the menu slug. Choose the icon that will display with the menu title. You can select a specific user role. Leave empty to apply on all. Now select the type of endpoint from 4 given options. Add custom content here. Set the endpoint sorting order and click on Publish button. Let's go to the front end to see how it looks. Go to My Account page. Here you see the created endpoint is displayed with an icon and custom content. Let's go to the back end and see other settings of this extension. The All Endpoints shows the list of custom endpoints created using this plugin. Go to Settings under My Account Customizer. Here you can see multiple settings tabs. Select Style for endpoint navigation. Check this box to enable custom colors. You can customize the background, foreground, and hover colors. You can select options where you want to hide default endpoints. Now go to the Endpoint Sorting tab. Here you can reorder endpoints by simply dragging up or down. In the Custom Links tab, you can enable custom links of accounts and affiliate accounts. You can simply add a new account by adding name, endpoint links, and icon class. Go to the Dashboard Setting tab now. Add the dashboard page title and check this box to enable dashboard. You can select Display Table Panels. Go to the Template tab. Here you can select the template. In Design tab, you can add custom CSS here and change the theme and theme background colors. That's the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.